Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Facebook step by step clearly. To invest in Facebook, start by researching the company. Look into its financial performance, growth potential, and market position. Familiarize yourself with the stock ticker symbol, which is FB. Next, choose a brokerage platform where you will buy the stocks. Consider factors like fees, ease of use, and available tools. Open an account with your chosen brokerage. This may require providing personal information and identifying documentation. Once your account is established, fund it with an initial deposit. Check for minimum deposit requirements before proceeding. Now, search for Facebook stocks on your brokerage platform. Enter the stock symbol FB in the search bar. Review the stock's current price and performance chart. Decide how many shares you wish to purchase. Consider your investment goals and budget before making a decision. Place a buy order for Facebook shares through your brokerage account. You can typically choose between a market order or a limit order. A market order buys at the current price, while a limit order sets a price you are willing to pay. After placing your order, confirm the transaction details. Monitor your investment regularly to stay up to date with market trends. Evaluate your investment periodically to determine if adjustments are needed. Understand your exit strategy to know when to sell your shares, if necessary. Stay informed about any news or developments affecting Facebook and the tech industry. Consider diversifying your portfolio to manage risk. Review your overall investment strategy and align it with your long-term goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.